Surfshark tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can get started with Surfshark. So let's get into it. Now Surfshark is both available as a standalone application as well as a Chrome web extension. So first off, I'm going to show you guys how to get started with a simple download of their actual standalone application. Now all you have to do is head on over to surfshark.com. Once you are on surfshark.com, you will see on their top you have your download. So you're just going to click on download over here and click on get started. Once you click on get started, you can see over here that you have multiple different plans that you can choose from, and you will simply choose a plan of your choice. Let's say I want this plan, and then you can choose if you want to add their other bundle as well, which has, alerts, antiviruses, and search security. So you can choose that as well. And then you're just going to click on continue without bundle or continue with bundle, and then enter your credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, or cryptocurrency information, and your purchase will be completed. So once you have completed your purchase, you can simply download their application and log in using your credentials. This is the one basic way to get started. It's simple, easy, and if you have a MacBook, then you can go into your application store and you can search for the application over here. And once you search for the application, you can click on get, you can click on install. And if you're using a Windows device, just go to the Chrome web store. And then you will just confirm your identity and you will wait for this to be downloaded. Now, the other way that you can get started with Surfshark is to use a Chrome extension. So if you want to use just the browser extension instead of having to use the entire application or download the entire application, then you can simply go onto the Chrome web store. Once you are on the Chrome web store, you're just going to click on the left side over here and you will just type in Surfshark. And once you have typed in Surfshark, this will be your top search result. So you're just going to click on Surfshark VPN extension. It is by surfshark.com, and you will click on add to Chrome over here. You will click on add extension, and it's just going to take a couple of seconds for the Chrome extension to be downloaded. So we're just going to wait for that. And you can see the extension has now been downloaded. Now you can click on the top right over here. You will see your puzzle icon, and we will just pin our Surfshark extension over here. And once you have pinned that, you're just going to click on the extension. So once your Chrome extension has been installed, we're just going to pin this. And now when you click on the top right over here, you can log in with your credentials that you used when creating your Surfshark subscription. You can just use those credentials to log in to your Surfshark VPN. So this is just on your browser. If you want to use this on other applications, then you want to use the application that you just downloaded. So for that, as we have waited a couple of minutes for our application to be completed, you're just going to click on open now. And then you're going to click on agree and continue, and now you can see I have my Surfshark application over here, and I can close this down and open this up from over here, and you can pin it to your taskbar or to your menu dock as well to be able to easily access your Surfshark VPN. So in this way you can get started with the Surfshark VPN, and it's simple, easy, plus you also get a 1-month free trial, so a 30-day free trial where you have a money back guarantee. If you don't like their VPN, you can get started with a different VPN of your choice, and they have all their basic features included in the basic version of the VPN, plus they don't keep any logs or any kind of data about your search history by themselves as well. So that is something amazing to keep in mind whenever you are using Surfshark as well. That was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.